Hi friends, welcome back to Baseline Makers. Today we are creating this video specially to address one of the comment that we have received for the video, that is how to highlight text in the latex. So this is the comment that we have received, that is how I can highlighting the reference citation in latex when the sentence contains slash cite. Okay, so what I understand is that you need to highlight the reference number which is appearing in the square bracket by using HL command. Okay, so I'll try to address this query along with some other possible combinations. For that, let us move to the text file. Here you can see that here you have the reference number 1, we can see here. Now let us try to highlight this complete introduction or complete portion and see what is going to happen. So for highlighting this, as I explained in earlier video, we need two packages, that is slash xcolor and comma sol. Okay, so now let us highlight this portion slash hl, then we can have one bracket here and we can close this bracket here. So let us run this and see what is going to appear in this PDF document. So here you can see one error appears after running this, and you can see that the number has been disappeared by using this command. So we need to remove this error. For that, you only need to give one extra bracket here like this, and you can close that bracket here. So now let us run this code again and see what is going to appear in this document. So let us wait for, yeah, now you can see that now the issue has been resolved. So this is the first case that we are going to face while using the HL. Now let us see, if you want to highlight only this number. So suppose if you want to revise a paper or an article, at that time you might have to add some references extra from your previous version. At that time you can easily highlight that number from here and you can submit the article so that the editor or the reviewer, they can easily identify that what are the new changes that you have done in the revised manuscript or an article. So for that you need to highlight this number, reference number 2. For that also you can go here back, you can go to the source by right clicking here. So you can see that the reference is here like this. So here you need to write HL, highlight slash HL and give one bracket here, and let us run this and see what is appearing here. So here also you will face the same issue. For rectifying that, you need to give one more bracket like this, as we explained in the previous case, and run this document and see what changes are going to appear in this document. So here you can see that only this number 2 reference has been highlighted here. Now let us move to our third case. If you want to highlight these 3 references, so let us do the same process and see whether it will work it for this case or not. So let us go to the source by right clicking here. So you can see that here the command is, so we can do /hl as in the previous case, and for that we are going to give one more bracket and see what is going to appear. Now let us run this code and see what is going to appear. So here again the references has been disappeared. So for rectifying that, what we need to do, as in the previous case, we are going to add one more bracket and we are going to close this bracket, and now let us run this and see what is going to appear here. So here you can see only a black dot is coming. So now here in this case you need to use one more command, that is /mbox. Then let us run it and see what is going to appear here. So here now you can see the three references, that is 3, 4 and 5 are highlighted. Okay. Now next combination we may face is that in the case of references, suppose we have like this, and suppose we need to highlight one references in between, that is the fourth reference that you have newly added, and we need to highlight that fourth reference. For that, let us right click and go to the source. So you can see here this is the place. Now what you can do, you can go here and write here /hl and give one bracket here and another bracket over here to close the bracket, and let us run this and see what is going to appear here. This case also you can see that the same error, or the reference number 4 is disappeared from the document. For rectifying that, you need to add one more bracket here and another bracket here to close the opened bracket. So now let us run it and see what is going to appear. So we can see by running this, you can see that the number 4, reference number 4 is now get highlighted. Now suppose in another case you can also highlight the references here which is appearing here. For highlighting that, suppose you need to highlight this portion, interaction of Judge Mendel. From here to here you need to highlight. So for that you need to go to the BIP file. So I have already opened this file over this tab. I'm just opening, and let us see which case is this. We need to suppose we need to highlight this reference number 1, and we need to see whether in this BIP file where it is placed. So this is the reference. I think the title is interaction. We can search here, and we can see that the reference, this one is the reference. We need to make it make it in the highlighted form. So here also you can do one thing. You can write an HL here, and give one bracket, and we can close this bracket here, and you can save using this file using Ctrl S. Now let us go to this page and we can run this document and see what changes are going to appear in this document. It is running. Let's see what is going to appear here. Here you can see in this case the portion or title portion is highlighted here. Now if you want to highlight this portion also, so that you need to go again back to here, and you need to have the command like this. Here in journal you can write HL, and then you can start a bracket, then you can go here and you can close that bracket. You can give Control S to save this document. Let's go back to our main file. Then we will just run this file and see what is going to appear here. So let us see what is coming over here. Now you can see that this portion is also get highlighted. Similarly, you can do for the remaining portions also by using the help of /HL command for each separate section. I hope we have cleared the doubts by this video. Still, if you have any doubt, please feel free to write comments on our chat box. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay connected. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.